Hey everyone, so it's 2:30 a.m. and I took a break from reading and note-taking to enjoy a very buttery chocolate chip cookie smothered in peanut butter. Healthy. Yeah, no, I deserve it, alright? Don't judge me. Oh, and you don't even know, I'm not wearing pants either. Yeah. So, yeah, that's right. That's right. Whatever, alright? You don't see me there, so it's fine. I'm comfortable. I'm wearing underwear. It's alright. Anyways, moving on. A couple things. First of all, we're all really tired, alright? I understand this. But that goes without saying. So in other words, don't say it. I mean, I hear people all the time saying, "Oh, I'm so tired. Oh, I'm so tired." Stop complaining, please, okay? I'm one of the only people I know who's taken 9 courses this year. 9 courses. One shy of 10. 9 courses. Alright? So, I think I know what exhausted is, and you know what? We're all there. We're all exhausted. Doesn't matter how many courses you're taking, we're all exhausted. And this is going to last until April, so get used to it and stop complaining about it. Alright, moving on. Don't come to work or school if you're sick. And this is like, jokingly but also seriously, don't do it. No one wants to be friends with the person hacking up a lung in the lecture hall, alright? No one wants to sit beside that person. Just save it, and save your internal organs too, alright? Stay home, rest, get well, come back, and then make your friends. But no one wants to talk to you when you're coughing like a madman, alright? It's just disgusting. So get home, get well, and then come back, alright? Have a good weekend, everyone. Oh, I guess it's over. Oh my god, it's Monday. Alright, I'll see you this week. Bye, guys.